For this last segment, we're going to take a look at some amazing things that happen with our neurocircuitry. Let's take the example of someone that has had an injury that has limited them from partaking in normal walking or even being able to grip something with their hand. As we see in this short 60-minute segment, there are now neural implants that literally will fire those missing motor connections in our brain to be able to affect a movement pattern.
The ports in his skull communicate the brain's intention to a robot arm, and then the sensors in the robot hand send the feeling of touch back into Embry's brain. We also met a young man named Austin Beggin. He became a quadriplegic after diving into a submerged sandbar, but now he's involved in some of the most fascinating research that we saw while shooting this story. Like Scott Embry, he has ports in his skull that connect to his brain, but unlike Scott Embry, the signals for motor control go not to a robot arm, but to his own arm, to sensors inside his arm that fire his muscles. This allowed Austin to do something that he hadn't been able to do in years, and that was shake his father's hand.
You can definitely feel the squeeze.
Yeah, I got a good
It is
grip of
amazing.
you. Yeah.
I mean, it was the moment that kind of summed up to me why I even did this.